Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Ngayon naman, I will be doing a review because I just got a hair styler from Facebook and itatry natin kung okay nga ba yung claims ng mga tao that it's nice to use. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Yes guys, so na-receive ko na nga today itong one-step hair dryer and styler na in-order ko from Facebook. I believe from 50 Avenue PH. So yeah, i-open natin to and i-try natin siya. Yung hair ko ngayon basa pa actually. Kanina pa ako naligo pero hanggang ngayon basa pa rin yung buhok ko. So we will try to use this and see if maganda nga ba siya for dryer and styler. So, ganito yung box niya. Lukot-lukot na siya guys nung dumating. Pero hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan. Ang nakalagay lang dito sa box niya, one-step hair, dryer and styler, smooth and frizz-free. Blowouts in hold the time. Hindi ko maintindihan best, pero yun yung nakalagay dyan. Tapos, it's a straightener and a dryer in one. So, diba? Bongga siya. Try natin to. Tapos, dito sa gilid, nakalagay lang hot air brush. Dito sa likod naman.
Faster, less damage. Basahin natin. The brush help reduce moisture in hair for faster drying and less damage. It also reduces frizz and static, which make the hair soft and shiny. Tapos, nakalagay dito, it's lightweight design, which I think is true naman, medyo magaan siya. Ceramic, high quality, spread the heat for all the surface of the plate. Negative ions surround each hair strand, eliminate static and frizz, providing brighter. Yun yung nakalagay dito.
Tapos may mga ano lang siya dyan. 360 swivel yung cord niya. Check natin later. Tapos meron siyang tourmaline technology. And then it's flexible, tangle-free bristles with massaging ball tips. Yun. Tapos yung power niya is 12 watts. 1,200 watts. Okay lang. So yeah, buksan na natin to. Tinanggal ko na yung bubble wrap, pero hindi ko pa to nabubuksan. So there. So may naka-bubble wrap siyang ganyan. Napag ko muna sa baba, bes. So, ganito, ano naman siya, bubble wrap naman siya. Tapos, wait lang. Color pink! Ang cute! Yun, 360 ba? Parang hindi naman. Parang hindi naman 360. Matigas yung cord niya, actually. Pinaglaloko tayo, oh. Pero guys, para siyang hindi 360 yung nakarating sa akin. Anyways, tapos meron siyang ano dito. High, middle, low, and off. So, ito siguro. Yeah, you can adjust that. Ito yung brush niya. Ang laki! Laki ng brush. Tignan nyo naman. Sing laki ng mukha ko. May ganyan siyang brush. Tapos meron din siyang maliliit na brush na ganito. Sa loob. Tapos, yun lang. Nandito nakalagay. Sticker. And then, made in China. Sana naman okay to, no? Diyos ko, Lord. Kasi hindi siya 360. Bakit ganun, bes? Tapos, sticky yung part na to. Siguro dahil dito sa sticker. Umusog siguro yung sticker dito. And this part is very sticky. Anyways. Sige nga. Try natin. So, isasaksak ko lang siya, guys, and we'll see. Medyo maigsi yung cord niya. Pero yaan na natin. So, adjust natin to low. Tapos, middle. High. Ay, ang init tong high. Pasensya na guys, narinig nyo ba ako? Gamitin lang natin si low this time. Ay, naka-low lang siya. So this time guys, I'm using yung middle. Mas mainit siya. Try natin to. There you go guys. Ito yung result niya. Sobrang shiny. Hindi ko shiny yung hair ko. Shiny ba? And it's super smooth and straight. Ah! Ganda nito. Nakakangawit lang siya pero lightweight naman. And mainit yung dito na part. Kahit na hinahawakan ko naman siya, okay lang to. Kahit na hinahawakan ko naman siya, tolerable. Hindi naman siya yung nakakapaso. And, tignan nyo naman yung hair ko. Ay! Okay siya. I like it. No frizz ba talaga, best? In fair. Nice. Yan, wala akong nilagay na kahit anong protectant sa hair ko before I did this. But, that's fine. So, yun guys. That's it. Final thoughts. I like it. It's super duper okay compared naman sa nag-hair dry ka lang. 'Di ba kasi pag nag-hair dry ka, medyo struggle kasi magbabrush ka pa tapos may hair dry. So this is like a hair dryer and straightener in one, which I think okay naman. Napanindigan naman nila yung sinasabi nilang straightener and hair dryer in one. Hindi ko masasabi yung straightening if it's good for those with wavy and curly na hair. But for me, straight na kasi yung hair ko. Pero maganda yung pagkakalapat niya, as in super straight like that. Tignan nyo naman oh. Kita nyo naman siguro sa camera how it turned out. Super nice. I like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para naman notified ka every time I upload videos. Again, thank you for finishing my video today, and I am gonna see you in my next one. Bye-bye!
What a wonderful